Today seems like a perfect day to go outside and go on my trampoline. What the heck was that? I have to go check under there. Ooh. Ha ha! Under there. God, I'm scared. Super tired. I'm gonna go sit on my couch. Go up the stairs so I can go to my bedroom. Hungry. I'm gonna go see what's in the fridge. I'm not gonna scream this time. I'm gonna go see who's making that weird hee hee noise. No, go out of my house right now. Get out.